Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you're going to need some rhinestone glue. I'm using this one by McCart, and I also have an affiliate link down below. So if you'd like to support me and get some money off your purchase, be sure to use that for all your McCart needs. I also used a nail brush just so that I can get into the harder parts of the design. And then lastly, I used some black gel polish. So with that, let's get started. I am doing another version of the 3D chrome powder, molten chrome kind of look. So I'm going to do this one that I was inspired by the account Chico Nails. I love how his turned out, so I really wanted to try it out for myself. I went ahead and started by putting a matte coat on my base just so that I can avoid any of the fallout from the chrome from getting stuck to my design and then having it be very difficult to clean up. I love this set because it's very beginner friendly. A lot of the work comes pretty easy and there's minimal steps. So once you get that matte coat put on your nails, you're just going to go directly in with the rhinestone glue and just make your design. There's no rhyme or rhythm to this. You can make it as uniform as you want. You can make it as organic as you want. I'm going for more of a funky organic look so that it doesn't look so mechanical and planned out. So once you've made your design exactly how you want, you're going to cure it for about 60 seconds.
Paid the price. Get up off my balls, I said it nice. Get up off that wall and change your life. Take you to paradise. She's so flirtatious. Does it feel to be so persuasive? I never wanna. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be you?
Once you've made your design on all of your nails, you're then going to take some black gel polish and just put it only on the parts that have the rhinestone glue. This way, when you apply your chrome, it only sticks to that part.
That's nuts, Lily.
She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? Get marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be you? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it. Rest. Feel it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm a bummer. Feel it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive.
So once all of the nails have the black gel polish applied and cured, you're going to go directly in with your chrome. I chose to do silver just because that's the one that was in the picture and this is the one that my mom requested. This set is for her, so I decided to do silver chrome for her. But honestly, this design looks good in so many different colors, so honestly, be creative and do whatever you want. You're just going to go directly in with that chrome and make sure every part of the nail that has black gel polish on it is covered.
Keep it going. How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel?
The way that you cure your gel polish is very important to the chrome application. It can be very tricky to master because if your gel polish is not cured enough, it's not going to stick very well and it may come out looking more like glitter compared to chrome. So make sure that you cure for at least 60 seconds so that it's tacky enough to stick for the chrome, but not so sticky that it won't spread. If you need to, go ahead with a alcohol swab and clean up any excess chrome that got on the base. And after that's done, you can go ahead with your top coat or just put top coat on the chrome part and leave the base looking matte. My mom wanted everything to be glossy, so we put gloss all over the nail. And this is the final result of what my nails turned out like. I think it turned out very nice. I love the design. It's very futuristic. It's giving very trendy and I love it so much. If you guys have any comments for me down below, any questions, any critiques even of what I could have done better, please leave all that down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 600 subscribers, so be sure to join the crew and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.